welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super cute Hello Kitty mini milk paper squishy. I found this design on Pinterest and I thought it was super cute to replicate into a paper squishy, and I'm going to give you guys the step-by-step tutorial on how to make this at home. It's super cute and squishy, and I think the design turned out super adorable. So yeah, let's just get started with the materials. So the materials you'll be needing for this paper squishy is paper, tape, a pencil, a black pen, some markers, scissors, and stuffing. Okay guys, so the very first step is to take your blank piece of paper just like this, and we're gonna fold it into 4 equal sections. Basically, we're gonna just fold it in half, and then we're gonna fold it one more time, making sure it's even as. Now that you have your paper looking something like this, we're going to unfold it now. Is gonna be basically where we lay everything out. I also forgot to mention we're gonna be needing a ruler to make all of our lines super straight. Let's just start out by outlining all of the edges we folded and draw a straight line down. And just keep doing this all the way down. Now we're gonna put our ruler horizontally onto the paper and start making lines down the page. I don't really know how rulers work, but I'm just gonna be using this side right here. I'm pretty sure it's inches. And I'm gonna start off 0.5 of an inch and draw a line. It's gonna be about at the 1 inch mark. Do it like 5 notches after the 2. Draw a line. Now we're gonna go a little more further down because this is gonna be like the front part. So we're gonna do it at about right here, 2 notches before the 5, and do your line. Now we're gonna do the bottom of the milk carton, and that's only gonna be 1 square, and it's gonna be this one right here. It's gonna be about at the 7.5. So we're gonna make 1 tab right here, another tab on the other side, and finally 1 on the bottom. Now on this side, I'm going to split this little tab in half, so we're going to draw a line across just like this, and the same thing on the last box. And then we're going to draw an extra tab right here, and we can erase this top one. We're just going to I almost said delete. Now on this side, we're going to split it in the middle, and then we're gonna make 2 lines that are connecting to make a little triangle in the corner, and another one right here to basically make 3 triangles. Now repeat it on this side. Perfect. So right here on my computer, I have the little template of the milk I'm trying to recreate. I actually found it on Pinterest. I'll try to find the @ that I saw it on. It's so cute. So now we're just gonna try to replicate this little design. Hello Kitty just looks so cute, guys. Like, what the heck? Okay, so starting on this little corner right here, they have like a little arrow. It says some little words. It writes Sanrio fresh, and then it says Hello Kitty on the bottom. And then on this side, it just has like a little upside down peach like this, and like a little tiny leaf on the bottom. Okay, so right here in this space, we're gonna write the word milk in bubble letters, and it's pretty big. And for this, you're gonna want to take your time, guys, because it's pretty detailed. Good thing we didn't run out of room, because that's usually what happens to me. Like, I'm trying to like write the title of something on a design, and then at the end it doesn't end up fitting because I either made it too big and it's not like in center, and then right underneath it in really small letters it just says Hello Kitty Peach. So we're just gonna write it in all caps. Now for the super cute Hello Kitty character, making some simple shapes to map out where she's gonna be. So this is gonna be her head, and this is the technique I use for like most of my drawing. So I just like draw shapes, basically just map everything out first. The peach, her body right here, and her little feet right there. Little ears are right here. Then right beside her head are gonna be 2 hearts. So I'm gonna draw a heart right here, heart right there, and then like a peach thing right here. We're just gonna draw a circle for now. Head and do like this round. Just comes down. Perfect. Now for the face, we're going to make it super cute. So right on the outside, we're going to draw 3 little whiskers. Same thing on the other side. And we're going to draw 2 little black circles. So now we're going to finish up the last couple of details. So we're going to do like some waves to resemble milk. Peach is right here, so we're going to do the same peach shape we did twice already. And then there's just like little bubbles of milk, I guess. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So this is how it ended up looking like. We're gonna do this side. It just has like this little rectangle shape with like, I guess, lines to write something. So we're just gonna do this shape, the little peach, and just repeat it on the other side. Now we're gonna draw another upside down peach. It's gonna start right here. We're gonna do a little splash on the side. And now just the last part is gonna be like that little weird like rectangle thing. I guess this is the side where the nutrition facts should be, but that's not really aesthetic or cute. Then we're gonna do a little heart and a little Hello Kitty head right here. Gonna do straight lines across like a notebook. We're just gonna write Hello Kitty Peach. So we're gonna just start like right here. Alright guys, so this is how the design looks so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side, which is exactly the same as this side, and then this other side. It's really simple as well. It just looks like this with 2 peaches, but I think I'm just gonna leave this out. Watch this, guys. Okay guys, so this is how the final sketch turned out. I think it's pretty cute. The only thing I had trouble on was just replicating this side perfectly. Now it's time to outline it. You could technically skip this part if it's too long for you or if you don't want to do it, but I personally like outlining everything in black before coloring. Okay guys, so this is another close-up of how the outlining went. Now I just need to erase all of the pencil marks because they look a bit messy, and after that we're gonna color it. So here are all of the colors that I have picked out. So now I'm just going to color the whole thing. Alright guys, so now that it's all colored, we're going to take some clear tape and laminate the whole thing. Now we're gonna cut it out. So now that it's all cut out, we're going to take our little template and start folding where all of the lines are, and the bottom as well, and all of the flaps. Now I'm going to take little pieces of tape like this and start assembling the box. I'm just going to start off with the bottom here and place a piece of tape right there and just stick the pieces together. Alright guys, so now that you have taped the whole box all around, it should look a little something like this. It's already looking so cute. So now all you have to do is stuff it and tape it closed. You basically just close it and it'll be a super cute milk carton. And I'm gonna take a ton of stuffing and just start filling it up until it is good. So once I have pinched it closed just like this, I'm going to put the 2 little flaps together at the top. Now that the tops are all taped together, we're now going to take this side right here and place a little piece of tape right here to connect, and on this side. Alright guys, so here is how the paper squishy turned out. I think it's so cute. It's super detailed and really squishy. I actually love it so much. It's so satisfying to play with, and I think the design turned out really pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys were successful in making this paper squishy. Comment down below if you think I should make some more of these with other Sanrio characters and maybe make like a blind bag series. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!